Turning your engine 1A250. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look nice. And on this side everything's good. Look as well on the windows, in good conditions, no water. Gearbox looking nice, no damage. And on this side everything's good. Altimeter in good conditions, as you can see. Starter working well. And on the top all connectors and injectors look nice. Plastic cover, no damage. And on the bottom no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 1A250.